Welcome back to Jamming in-nair Repair. We have this problem, and this is my basement stairs. And they're carpeted. Over here to my right is the cat litter boxes. So they come out of the hole, across the carpet, and up the steps. So these steps get a lot of kitty litter in them, okay, and cat hair. Now, I just swept these off 4 days ago, so they're actually not in that bad a shape. But I've never been able to vacuum them. That changes today. To solve this problem, I bought myself a Black & Decker lithium battery-powered vacuum cleaner. Yeah, baby, let's give this a try. Yeah. It didn't take me long to realize that it's going to take me about 5 hours of vacuuming for this thing to vacuum up my steps. But it's a handy tool for other things, so I'm glad I bought it. Just not going to work on the steps. So about a year later, I went and bought one of these. It's a Bissell Featherweight. It's a corded vacuum cleaner, has some power to it. I put a screw right down here, right here, that locks the head so the head doesn't rock, because that wasn't working. So, all right. Well, that's better, but it's only suction, and it didn't do a very good job. If this carpet was full of cat hair like it usually is, it wouldn't pick up the cat hair. Just totally left it behind. There's no beater brush in there to get the dirt out, and all you're really cleaning, get up here. All you're really cleaning is this little area right here. So, fail number 2. So what's a guy to do? What's a guy to do? You grab the broom and just start sweeping. Well, that doesn't really get the dirt out of the tread. So I finally broke down and I bought myself a good vacuum cleaner. Alright, let's see what came in the box. Alright, an LG Cord Zero. So while this isn't good, the tamper seal is gone. Looks like there is a sticker removed from here. And you can tell that this has been opened before. So now I don't know what to do. Should I just return it to Amazon and tell them they sold me a used vacuum? Let's take a closer look. cardboard here. Tells you how to unpack. I'm looking for evidence that somebody has plugged this in before. Yeah, the bag is open. That twisty tie could be factory. I can't tell if there's anything missing. So I'm gonna have to go through and do an inventory. I'm gonna guess somebody swapped out my batteries, because I'm thinking those aren't supposed to be in there like that. Damn. So I ended up returning this vacuum cleaner to Amazon, and then they did give me a full refund. So there was no exchange option, which is what I wanted. I just wanted a good vacuum cleaner. They couldn't do that. So I decided that I'd just run over to Best Buy and see what they have over there. And this is what I picked up. So this is the solution I'm going to try on my staircase. Take care of all that dirt and grime on my stairs. I went to Best Buy to pick this up today, and you know, it's got all the powerful suction, you know, that's what you want. I wanted a head with a beater brush in it, and this one has the continuous cleaning. It's got a puppy on it, so it has to be good. Self-cleaning brush roll. Well, let's find out. Let's unbox this thing and see what's in here. Alright. I actually ordered an LG from Amazon, and I got it, and the box was already open. So I returned it. Directions. We'll save on those. So this one has 40 minutes of runtime, which is probably enough. Alright, some sort of crevice brush attachment. That's interesting. Another attachment. Alright. One battery charger. Not reading the directions. Says pull for max power. So it's like a power boost. I never understood that. Just make it max power all the time, please. Okay. I suppose. I plan on using it on the staircase anyhow. So, I am going to plug in the old charger here. Let it charge for a couple hours, and I will bring you back. So while the Shark is charging, says you have to let it charge for at least 3 hours, I'm going to give you a preview of what I've been doing. I've been painting my basement. I ran into a situation where a guy that paints a lot for a living made me an offer to paint my basement. And he came, and mostly what I needed him to do was to paint the ceiling. And he came with a spray gun and shot this entire ceiling. And I think it turned out awesome. He did the vents and everything. I think it looks pretty good. So the ceiling design is of my own design. These boards come out. You just move them over and they drop out. So that leaves the big tiles. You can pull these tiles down. So it's a drop ceiling that doesn't really drop at all. So finally I have this entire basement painted. I just finished painting the floor. Get that spot. You got it. Nice job, Caitlin. Yeah. It's good to have a granddaughter. So my next task is to do the outlets. Put face plates on them. Get that done. Then the trim. I have all the trim painted. So I just gotta glue all the trim onto the wall. So that'll be done. But after all that construction, it's really taking a toll on these steps. This is why I bought the Shark vacuum cleaner. Let's see if it can clean these steps up. According to the directions, all 3 lights means it's fully charged. I'll go and unplug that. Now then, do you think I can do it one-handed? Oh yeah. So, let's check out the switch here. Apparently there's 3 levels, carpet, bare floor. And then there's a booster. That's bare floor. That's the carpet. Okay, let's see what it does on the carpeting. better than anything I've used so far. Which isn't saying much. That is a paint. Apparently we got paint on our carpet right here and here. So there too, another spot. All right, well that would have been much easier with two hands, but alas, I only have one. Let's see what we did here. Look at that. Don't think I can do this with one hand. We'll see. All right. Easy enough. All right. See how it did. Like I said, there are a couple of paint spots apparently. Boop, boop, boop. Dink. I don't care. For one-handed vacuum cleaning, I think it turned out pretty good. Compared to sweeping it with a broom, much easier. So that's where we're going to leave this video for now. I might visit the vacuum cleaner again, we'll see. But the good news is we now have a wonderful workspace to get more videos done. So we'll be working on all sorts of projects in the new space. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped out somebody decide whether or not to buy a Shark vacuum cleaner or not. Leave a comment, subscribe, ring the bell. That would be awesome. That's all free for you, but helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.